Bald head weird. Bald head weird. YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine, 2 N's no E, and thank you for joining me for another look into my life. I almost messed up my intro. As you guys can see, your girl's looking a bit rough, a bit crazy. I just wanted to give you guys this little walkthrough of how I do my wash routine for my hair. I took my twist out on Sunday. Today is Thursday, and I haven't detangled, cleansed, moisturized, done anything to my hair because I just been lazy, okay? Fight me. Judge your mama. But I have my protective styles, and over the time of me wearing them, I do get a lot of buildup, a lot of gunk, or just a lot of nonsense that I don't need on my scalp. So I do like to cleanse my scalp, deep condition, do the whole nine. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through everything that I do. And okay, so let's just go ahead and take this hair out of this ponytail. You know what I'm saying? Like, your girl ain't bald head, you feel me? I just really don't enjoy doing my hair no more. Like, there was a time, like, that's all I wanted to do, like, do a new twist out. I'm looking at YouTube videos all day and all night of just how to do different styles, and I didn't do none of them, but I just loved natural hair and playing in my hair. And then after a while, I'm just like, no, I don't want to do all that no more. So I wear protective styles, and it just helps me keep my hands out of my hair. So when I keep my protective styles up, once I, reach the point to where I'm ready to take my style out, and then, before my next protective style, I do like to just let my hair, rest and breathe for, probably about like a week or week and a half, or just until I decide what's the next style. So we're in between styles, and we're going to make sure that we clean our hair. So the first thing that we are going to do, I have a spray bottle full of water, and we're going to be cleaning our scalp, and that's just massaging some apple cider vinegar in our scalp. This is just normal Walmart brand, and this is just regular sink water. And ain't no Maricela, ain't no vitamin water, ain't no Dasani, ain't no Fiji. Tap. And we're just gonna pour a little bit, we don't wanna be stinking up the joint. But we do wanna put probably like half and half, but as you can see, this is my backup spray bottle. It's 10, so how you supposed to know what's half and half? Because I know. Because I know. Going to separate the hair, shake it up, and this is for the scalp because I have just a lot of buildup. Okay, so we have applied the apple cider vinegar all throughout our scalp, and as you can see, I have a lot of just gunk running down, which I'm okay with, and I have sectioned my hair off into 4 sections because it's just better for me. Instead of just washing it as a whole, it's already too tangled for all this, so I'm just trying to make it easier on myself and separate it. So we're going to be deep conditioning our hair just for 15, 20 minutes or 25 minutes. I don't really know because I got Beyonce playing in the background. If you have not watched Homecoming, whether you don't have a Netflix account yourself, I know you got friends, I know you got relatives, why you ain't seen it yet? So I'm gonna let this deep conditioner sit on my hair while I'm dancing crazy in love, while I'm wishing I was at a HBCU. So this is the deep conditioner that I love. We're going to put it all throughout our hair while we still have the apple cider vinegar in our hair. Don't do it so rough, but try to rake through my hair. Just wrap it up. Not too much shedding. I'm surprised I don't have more shedding. Okay, so the two, we have them completed in the back. So we're going to go ahead and do these two up here with our hair mayonnaise. We're going to put on a timer to just sit and let the treatment do what it needs to do for about a good 20-25 minutes. Then I'll be right back after I rinse it out. So see you guys later. Well, soon. Hold on. Okay, YouTube, so we're back. We have the deep conditioner washed out of our hair, and while the deep conditioner was in our hair, we did go ahead and start to detangle. I have just a small little Denman brush. Y'all, this is how much hair I lost. And to be honest, I know it looked like, damn, are you bald head somewhere? No, ho, I'm not. This is good loss of hair so far since I had, you know, like my twist up for 2 months. That is good. So I'm gonna keep wearing my protective styles, baby, because bald head weird. Bald head weird. When I washed out my deep treatment, I went on ahead and used my favorite shampoo, and I use the Aussie Total Miracle. It just gets it all out. You know what I'm saying? Without being too harsh. It just has 7 miraculous benefits. I'm not going to read it because y'all can go to Walmart, Target, or whatever type of store you shop at to get it yourselves. But yes, this I really recommend it for all my curly hair babies. Now I have my conditioner on, my Aussie conditioner. And again, it's just the Total Miracle. I put it all over my head and I just massage it in my scalp. And I just run my fingers, you know, through my hair to make sure that I don't have any like knots or tangles and stuff like that, because as soon as I rinse this out, I am going to go ahead and style, because listen, it's a work night. So I gotta get some rinse. So we're just gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and then I'll come back to share with you guys the items that I use to style. I don't know why that took me so long. All right, girl, we are back up in this thing. We are clean. Now, when I do rinse out my conditioner, I do rinse in cold water because that's what Instagram says to do. No, but it's just like supposed to be better for your hair. I think it like seals up the cuticles or your pores and I don't know, something else, but IG stylists say to do it, so you know how they get. So they be knowing their stuff when they want to know it. What we're going to go ahead and do is apply some leave-in conditioner just on top of my hair, because my hair needs moisture all the time. So I am going to go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. Oftentimes when I do my hair, I will just leave in the Aussie. I won't like rinse all of the Aussie out. But in this case, I just decided I just wanted to rinse it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, I'm entitled to switch it up every now and again, ain't I? So we're just going to put this all over our hair because it likes moisture. Y'all know what? I do go by a certain method. I use the LOC method, the LOC, liquid, oil, and cream. And I have the liquid as far as the water. I was supposed to put the oil on my hair before I put this leave-in conditioner in. It's alright, you know what I'm saying? We just go cap it on the ends once we put on this conditioner. So it ain't no thing, baby girl, baby boy, it ain't no thing. We just go get right back to it. so now that we have our conditioner on, we're going to go ahead and once again part into 4 sections. And then with each section, I'm just going to apply the oil just at the ends of my hair, since you know, like that's the oldest part of your hair and that needs like the most moisture. I do what works for me. Do what works for you also. So now that we have all of our sections up, I don't even know if it's even. I don't know, I really could care less. So we're going to go ahead and just put a little bit of oil at the ends of our hair, just so that we make sure that we're getting in more moisture. The more moisture, the better. And this is just a little concoction that I made. It's with castor oil, and also I think it's called Africa's Best. I found it at Walmart. It has like a red top on it, and it's like just brown oil. Like, y'all, I love that oil. I love it. So I mixed that in with castor oil. And the style that we're going to be going for, this is going to be the style that we're probably going to wear for like the next 3 days. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can make my styles last. So we're just going to go ahead and use some perm rinds. These are going to be fun to sleep in. There are a couple of hair lotions and conditioners that I do use that I just swear by because they work for me. If they don't work for you, cool. They work for you, girl, okay? I enjoy the ORS. It is the Replenishing Conditioner. Y'all, it smells so good. And then I also use the ORS. This is also Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. I just use a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just a little drop. And then we're going to put in the Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. Small amount. And we just putting it from the bottom of our hair and working it on up. What I'm going to use to style each perm rod and what I'm going to coat my hair with is going to be the Miss Jessie Coily Custard. When it comes to perm rods, there are a lot of different techniques that people use to get certain different curls. My hair take a hot minute to dry, and it's not because of the products that I use. It's just my hair just take a minute to dry. It just really do. So what I like to do, I like to try to get it as flat as possible. So instead of twisting my hair, so I don't know if you can see how the hair is twisted. I don't twist the hair to twist it around the rod. I just lay it flat and then I just twist as I go. You see that? How that is? Instead of it being, you know, twisted around, it's gonna be flat and wrapped around, okay? So we just put the Miss Jessie's on. Not bad, it's not loose, it's not tight, and you know, it works for me. So I'm just gonna do that all around my head. I gotta go watch some Homecoming because this gonna be a minute. I'll be back. I feel like Big Worm, Big Perm. Like, I would probably have a side-by-side picture over her. Like, who wore it best? We are completely rolled up, done up. And as you can see, I tried to have a method. I did want to try to keep the orange ones here at the crown of my head. That's going to give me the volume that I need to, you know, style the way that I want. And try to keep the purple ones like around the edge of my hair, because you know that's just going to give it that definition that I do want. This is us for tonight. So we have to sleep on our face because how we gonna get comfortable? But you know, it is what it is. Beauty is pain. But I will wake up early in the morning so that you guys can see the finished results. I may hit my hair with a blow dryer just to speed up the process of drying my hair. I do want to make sure that everything is going to be dry. But anyways, this is what we did, and I'll see y'all in the morning. That is our morning routine as far as getting our face together. As you can see, I'm not much of a talker in the morning, but I'm trying to be upbeat for y'all, okay? Let's change into some clothes. Oh, it worked better than I thought, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and remove each rod. And I go with the curl, you know what I'm saying? That is the last of the curls. Oh, I lied. He would have just went to work with me. So what I'm going to do is that oil that I put at the tips of my hair, I'm just going to put a little bit the ends of my fingers, you know, not a lot because I don't want my hair to be too oily. I just want something on my hair as I am breaking it apart. Then I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and essentially do what a person would do with a pick. Okay, so that is the look. Very cute, very simple, very moisturized, very clean because your girl hair was dirty. I like that this style will last me a couple of days. If you want to see more hair tutorials, please let me know. Probably going to make them anyway, but I just want to get, you know, you guys' insight on what you guys want to see on my page. And I thank you guys so much for joining me again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends. I'll put the tags here. They will also be in the description. Get to know your girl, okay? You guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate your continued support. Enjoy your day. Go see Homecoming. Log on to somebody's Netflix account. Because, I mean, how you gonna use somebody's EBT card, but you can't use their Netflix account to go see Beyonce? How that work? Thank you for joining me. Bye.